Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates in my channel for every sector, government sector, private sector, engineering sector, as well as PSU jobs. If you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel because you will get regular job updates and daily career guidance as well as interview tips. I also help you to grow in your career, so you have to subscribe if you require all of these requirements or all of these features from our channel. Okay, so please subscribe our channel. So I must say today's job notification has come from Cisco. It is for 2021 and 2022 batch, so it is a great opportunity for both the batches, for the upcoming batches. So we will discuss in detail. So let's start this video. Okay, so you can see Cisco off campus drive 2021, they are hiring freshers for 2021 batch and 2022 batch. So the job profile name is data analyst, new graduate, working location will be Bangalore, experience need is 2021 or 22 pass out, master's degree, MS MBA program it is. So the degree needed is master degree. Okay, so the desired degree candidate is MS or MBA program. Desired major must be business or industrial engineering or operational research or supply chain management or equivalent. Minimum CGPA of 3 out of 4. The requirement is for 2021 and 2022 pass out only. The job description is mentioned here. Analyze business process, find gaps and identify improvement opportunities, strong data analytics and visualization skills, work with large amount of data, having business context, present data mapping, lineage, classification, data dictionary to create master data catalog, conduct periodic data health monitor, assist with retiring unused data elements, rationalizing, enabling future data elements, enable data discovery, partner with functional owners, perform matrix analysis as required to provide actionable information to end users, active participation in data scientist role, lead and drive supply chain cross functional teams to be analytics driven discipline. So these are the all job description I have mentioned you. So if you interested, you can click on apply link. I will give this application link in my description box. So yeah, so this is the career website of Cisco. You can directly click on apply from the website itself, and you can go through the notification once again, then click on apply. So the application form will be open to you. So if you are a new user, you need to create your account in Cisco by giving your email address here and click on register now. If you are already a customer of their website, then you can directly give your email and password. You can sign in and apply for this job. So this is the small notification for Cisco job updates. So one more thing I want to say, last 2 days I have not published any job notification because I have not find any relevant jobs for all the my viewers and all my subscribers. So as soon as I receive new notification, I try to provide that solution and also try to give you update. So you have to subscribe my channel if you want daily notification and regular job updates. So stay tuned with us. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for motivating us. Keep motivating, keep subscribing us. Thank you once again. Take care guys. Have a great day. Bye.